Okay, so let's go over. Oops. Okay, so let's go over the day one questions that you have. So if we look at 18, we are going to factor this so we know where it is. So I will take out a 2x, and then it's x plus 2. So if we set those both equal to 0, we know it's going to cross at, I'll divide by 2, so we get 0. I'll subtract 2, so x equals negative 2. So we'll plot those. And then since we don't have the bar, it's going to be a dotted line. A is positive, so it opens up. And we'll connect them. All right, so now we need to test a point. So we can't use 0, 0 since that's on the line, but I can use negative 1, 0. So negative 1 and 0. So this is x, and that's y. So we'll plug that into the original. So is 0 less than 2 times negative 1 squared plus 4 times negative 1. So this side would be 2 minus 4, which is negative 2, is 0 less than negative 2. That's false. So we need to shade the outside. Okay? All right, let's erase this. All right, so we can do the next problem. So, same thing, I'm going to factor out a negative 3, x, and we get x divided by negative 3, so plus 2. So set these equal to 0, we get x equals 0, x equals negative 2. So this one's negative in front, so it's going to open down, and it's going to be solid because it has the bar. All right, I can't use 0, 0 again, so we're going to use negative 1, 0. Actually, yeah, we'll just do that. So if x is negative 1 and y is 0, is 0 less than or equal to, that would be negative 3 plus 6 is 3. So 0 is not less than 3, so that point is false. So I'm going to shade everything on the other side. All right, let's look at this one. These, if you don't want to factor, because this has a negative in front, we'll just go ahead and use the negative b over 2a to find the vertex. This is really an option. So remember b, a, and c. So we've got the opposite of b, and then 2 times a is negative 1, so 2 times negative 1 is negative 2, so x equals 1. So then we'll find the y value by plugging in 1. So we've got negative 1 squared plus 2 times 1 minus 3. So that's going to be negative 1 plus 2 is 1. 1 minus 3 is negative 2. So 1, negative 2. It's going to be a solid line and open down. So I know 0, 0 is not on the curve. So let's see if it's true or false. So is 0 greater than or equal to 0 plus 0 minus 3? Yes, that is true. So we want to shade this. So then I would find the vertex for these as well and do the shading. All right, let's go over the second. So this one, 13 through 15, they want you to graph it in standard form and label the vertex. So you have choices. I'll do 2 different ways. So let's do factoring. So this would be x minus 3x plus 1, except negative 3 times 1 does not give you that. So this does not factor. So we have to use the, I forgot. Okay, took me a second. So we have to use the negative b over 2a. So a, b is negative 2, and c. So the opposite of b is positive 2, over 2 times a is 1. So we get 1. So substitute 1, we get 1 minus 2 is negative 1. Negative 1 plus 3 is 2. So 1 up 2. And then that would be the vertex. So I'm just going to put a v there. And this opens up. There's no shading, so you're done. So this might be the easiest since we have to label the vertex. So we'll do this one. So we know it opens down. I get the opposite of b over 2 times a. So that's negative 4. Negative 4 divided by negative 4 is 1 again. And then we'll substitute that. So negative 2 plus 4 is 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. So 1, 5 is your vertex. This opens down. Okay. All right. Let me know if you want a Google Meet invite. I can still do some of these with you. I just thought I'd send the video in case. All right. Okay.